And she's coming in. She says, "Who the fuck are you guys?" So this is my house. Oh, are these my chickens? That's why Brahmas are so cool. They're so gentle. She says, "I don't really care. I thought you'd be upset about this." And Bird is up in his cage. I figured get her used to seeing the chickens so she won't be afraid to come in. Yeah, I know, it's just terrible. Look at all this. Here's a little speckled Sussex. They're so cute. It's the first day out. They haven't been outside yet. They're too afraid. They're stretching their legs. They're establishing their pecking order. My cigarette. Beautiful. A little buff Brahma right there. Golden Lace Wyandotte. Bird Rocks. Else. Yeah, I know it's just upsetting. I just don't know what to think about these chickens. And Bird says, "I don't know what to think about these chickens either. I would like to get out and see." I'll let her out in a little while. She spent the morning out in the yard flying in the trees. Got some cochins in here. This little devil, speckled Sussex. She looks better in person. Birds always look better in person than on film. I wonder why that is. I'm pretty excited. And the hen is really happy. Seems to me there's an extra one in there that I didn't know about. Or maybe two extra ones in there, which is pretty cool. God, little gangsters. Oh, they're establishing their pecking order. I can't wait till they get the nerve to go outside. What do you think about all that? She says, "Oh, I'd like to get out."